Hello dear children, welcome to our new academic year 2020-21. Children, please stay at home and stay safe as we are passing through a pandemic, COVID-19. You all are familiar with it. So please be careful and let us thanks to God that we are in new academic year 2020-21 and you are now grown up 1 year more. Okay? Last year you were in standard first and now you are in standard second. Myself is Mrs. Mittal Christie. I am going to teach you English. Okay children, today we are at our first unit, that is unit 1, and in unit 1, one poem is there and one prose is there. Okay children, let us start doing. So the poem 1 is going to school. Here in this poem, the child is going to school for the first time and he is sharing his feelings with us. So let us see what is there in our poem. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. बच्चा क्या सोच रहा है यहाँ पे? उसके ड्राइंग के बारे में सोच रहा है. क्या उसकी ड्राइंग वैसी होगी जैसे दूसरे बच्चों की होगी? तो उसको डाउट है. He is having doubt in his mind. So he is wondering on his way to school कि क्या दूसरे उसके ड्राइंग को पसंद करेंगे. Second stanza, I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. यहाँ पे what the child is thinking, बच्चा सोच रहा है कि दूसरे बच्चे उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या फिर उसको घूरेंगे. Stares means fixed look. किसी को स्टेयर करना मीन्स किसी को घूरना. तो यहाँ पे बच्चा क्या सोच रहा है कि क्या उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या उसको देखते ही रहेंगे. इन थर्ड स्टैंजा, आई वंडर इफ माई टीचर विल बी लुक लाइक मॉम और ग्रैंड. यहाँ पे बच्चा क्या सोच रहा है थर्ड स्टैंजा में? यस, अबाउट हिज टीचर. उसके टीचर कैसे होंगे? उसके मम्मी के जैसे या उसके ग्रैंड माँ के जैसे? ग्रैंड मीन्स ग्रैंड मदर, मतलब कि उसके टीचर यंग होंगे या ओल्ड होंगे. ओके, इन फोर्थ स्टैंजा, आई वंडर इफ माई पप्पी विल वंडर वेयर आई एम. यहाँ पे जो चाइल्ड है वो क्या सोच रहा है अपने पप्पी के बारे में जो उसको घर पे छोड़ के आया है. तो व्हाट ही इज थिंकिंग फॉर हिज पप्पी? व्हाई आई एम नॉट सीइंग एट होम. द पप्पी इज वंडरिंग कि क्या वो बच्चे को क्यों नहीं देख पा रहा है, वो कहाँ गया है. तो द चाइल्ड हैज़ मैनी थिंकिंग इन हिज माइंड ऑन हिज वे टू स्कूल. सी, in all what we have seen, that child is wondering for his drawing, his classmates, his teacher and also about his puppy. Thank you children. Okay children, here we have some meanings. Okay, some new words are there from which you are not familiar. Let us see which are they. Yeah, wonder is the first meaning. What is the meaning of wonder? Wonder means doubt. Okay, drawing, creating pictures. Drawing means to create pictures. You are all are familiar with drawing. You are doing drawing in the school and at home as well. Okay, stares means fixed look. किसी को स्टेयर करना मीन्स घूरना. समटाइम्स कुछ स्ट्रेंज होता है तब हम वो चीज़ को देखते रहते हैं. और इन इंग्लिश वी आर टेलिंग इट स्टेयर्स. ग्रैंड मीन्स ग्रैंड मदर एंड पप्पी मीन्स अ बेबी डॉग, छोटा बच्चा, अ यंग वन ऑफ अ डॉग. Okay children, we have one another poem here. Let's listen and sing. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. I want you to do it with the action. Okay? Do it on your own. Okay. Here one word I am writing on the board. Okay children, I have written one word. Can you see this? What is it? hippopotamus. Okay children, how many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? How many news words you can make from this? Let us start. HONT, hot. HANT, that is hat. PONT, that is pot. MANT, that is mat. POP, that is pop. You can make many more spellings, new words from this one word. So this exercise you have to do it on your own. Okay children, here we are having list of some things. You have to separate them, you have to differentiate them, what you carry in your school bag and what you don't. The first one is ruler. What is the ruler? Yes, scale. You are carried at school? Yes. In your bag, scale is there? No. Ruler is there. Okay. Second is pebbles. Are you taking pebbles to the school? No. So it is not there in the list. Sharpener? Yes, you are carried in the bag. Eraser? Yes, that is also you are carrying in your bag. Toys? No, you are not carrying toys in your bag. Ice cream cone? No, it is not possible to take ice cream cone in your bag. Tiffin? Yes, you need to eat during recess time. So you are taking tiffin to the bag. Spectacles? Yes, those who are wearing spectacles, they need to take it in the bag. Books, pencils and water bottle. These are the things what we are taking and not taking to the school bag. Let's do, what are the children doing? Here we don't have textbook. So after we are getting the textbook, I will show you the textbook and afterwards you have to take it from the market. Okay children, some words are there which we are using for actions, doing words. The words they are telling us what is going on. Okay, in grammar we are telling they are verbs and they are very much important part of the grammar. Okay, what we are doing with breakfast? We are eating breakfast. Bicycle, riding bicycle. School, going to school. With friends, sharing with friends. In class, studying in class. And returning from school. From school, returning from school. Okay, you know that in learning, writing is very essential part. We can't apart it from our learning. So today we are going to revise cursive letters. Let us start writing. You are writing in 4-line book. So how to use this 4-line? Please see it carefully from the board. We are starting from the 3rd line. At the bottom of the 3rd line, we are taking one curve. Go up to the 2nd line. Take a curve and come return back. Here. Go again up to the 2nd line and come down. This is A. Start with the bottom of the 3rd line. Take a curve. Come back and again go up to the 2nd line and this is A again. Start from the bottom of the 3rd line, blue line, go up in the pink line, come back down, take a curve and go again at the top of the 2nd line. This is B. Once again, see carefully, go up to the pink line, come down to the blue line, bottom of the blue line, take a curve, and this is B. Let us write C. Starting from the bottom of the blue line, take a curve, come back again, this is C. Again, let us write D. Starting from the bottom of the third line, come take a curve, go up to the pink line, and this is D. Again, from here, take a curve, come back, go up to the pink line, and this is D. Let us start writing E. See, from the bottom of the blue line, here, go up in the second line, come back, this is E. Again, starting from the blue line, take a curve, and this is E. How many letters we have done? A, B, C, D, and E. Children, very many children are making mistakes while writing F. So how you have to write F? See carefully. Usually we are starting writing from the bottom of the blue line. Third blue line we are starting from here. Come up, take a curve from back side, come back again, go in the last line, and this is F. Again, starting from the bottom of the third line, go up, take a back curve, come back, come in the bottom line, and then this is F. Now we are writing G. While writing G, we are using same bottom of the third line, go up to the second line. See children, we are going down in the pink last line. This is G. Once again, starting from the bottom of the third line, go to the second line, and this is G. Now which letter will be there? H. H for horse. Let us start with here. Go up in the pink line, come back, go back in the same way. Don't go up, just take a U-turn, and this is H. Again, starting from here, this way, and U-turn, and this is H. How many letters we have done? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now which letter will be there? Yes, I. We are using just middle two lines, second and third. Here, this is I. Again, starting from here, use only this line, come back down, and small curve will be there, and this is I. Now J. We are doing same as we have done in the I. Come down, but here we are using the last line, bottom line we are using, and this is J. We need to make dot over here. Okay. Again, from here, then we are going in the bottom line, pink one. This is J. Okay. So today, A up to J we have done, and you have to practice daily, twicely at home. And thank you children. We will meet in next lesson.